Hello everyone, my name is Ariel Rubinstein and this is my project, Sentiment Analysis of Customer Reviews. Let's get started. So my motivation for this project, as a business owner, you want to know how your customers feel about your products or services. So I'm aiming to provide a tool that could help these businesses know how customers feel about their products or services. So the goal for my project was, for short, to classify reviews using machine learning algorithms and then process the reviews using vector machines to transform the text into numerical values. This is to help the machine learning process. Um, so I'm planning to split positive, negative, and neutral reviews. The input for my project was raw data scraped from an online product listing, and then the output is clean processed data that has been classified in containers for positive, neutral, and negative reviews. The data that I'm using is a CSV file. So, for the implementation of my project, for the data loading, the project begins by loading the dataset, which is assumed to be a CSV format. Then the dataset is expected to contain a column named review text, which holds the reviews that will be analyzed. Then the data pre-processing. The review text data is pre-processed to prepare it for feature extraction, and then the pre-processing steps include converting alt text to lowercase, removing special characters and stop words, and applying the Porter stemmer to reduce the words from their root form. Then the feature extraction takes place, and then the pre-processed data for the review text is then converted into numerical format. Then the machine learning model can use this data for processing it. And then this project uses a bag of words model, which represents each review as a vector indicating the presence of words from predefined dictionary into the review. Then the data splitting takes place, and then the data set is divided into the training set and the test set. So the training set is used to train the model, while the test set is used to evaluate the model's performance. Up next, we have the model training. The naive Bayes model is trained using the training data, and this type of model is often used for text classification tasks because it can handle two kinds of multidimensional categorical data to produce the bag of words model. And the last step would be to evaluate the model. So the trained model's performance is evaluated by using to predict the sentiment in the classes of the test set. So the predictions are compared with the actual sentiments to calculate metrics such as the precision, the recall, and the F1 score. And all of this is done to get the overall accuracy of the model. So the experimental results, for my results, the program first ensured that the required NLTK packages are updated, and then it splits the dataset into training and testing sets. Then it loads the reviews from a CSV file and pre-processes these reviews. The pre-processing involves cleaning and standardizing the text. Next, the program employs the bag of words model to transform the pre-processed reviews into numerical vectors, essentially extracting the features from the text data. This feature set and the corresponding target variables, which are ratings from 1 to 5 stars, are used to train the model. So once the model is trained, it is evaluated on a test set. And then the evaluation metrics include the precision, the recall, and the F1 score for each rating class, along with the overall accuracy. So while the model performs well for higher ratings of 5, for my results, the performance for lower ratings, so anywhere from 1 to 4 stars, needs improvement. And then For the contributions and future of work, um, I would try several other methods in the future that could achieve similar results. This would be done with the purpose of finding the fastest and most accurate method. I would also check on the system's performance. So for my model, it's consistent, but it's worth trying and comparing other systems for better results or just to get more accurate results. And then currently, the system is ready to help businesses gain insight into their customer sentiments and make data driven decisions based on the feedback that the customers are giving. So, on that end, it's functional. So, thank you all for your attention and have a good day.